Good morning. Welcome to 5 AM at the train station.
I've got holiday vibes. It's early, I've got holiday vibes.
No, I do not have holiday vibes. But welcome to this video, to the first in our Prague series. We are currently waiting for the train to King's Cross and then from St Pancras, so the little walk, we will then get the train to Gatwick for a 8:10 or 8:20 flight to Prague. So I will perk up a bit, but it's 5 AM, so we'll have some B-roll.
This train terminates at London King's Cross.
We made it through, and now we're waiting for breakfast out the Wetherspoons with that view. But actually we've got quite a good hidden corner table, so that's nice. I'm still convinced something won't go right though, and this isn't real. So until we're checked into our hotel, I won't believe that we're actually going on holiday.
Yes. Large breakfast en route.
We made it! God, 4 AM is an early wake up time. Anyway, let's catch you up a bit, because I'm aware that I've just taken little bits and bobs and it may not make any sense. So let's start from the beginning. We obviously got a train from home. We were going to go to St Pancras and then get the train to Gatwick, but in the end we hopped on some different ones to make it quicker. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Adam. You moaned at me for making you yawn the other day. So yeah, to make it quicker, that was all fine. Getting through security at Gatwick, that was quite a slick process and not a problem. We then ended up in Wetherspoons for some breakfast. As you know, our boarding gate came up while we were eating, so then after that we went straight over there. I don't know what the hold up was getting people on the plane, but there was a bit of a hold up getting people on the plane, but we left practically on time. The flight went really quick, don't you think? And it was only about an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes. We had a little snooze. P had a longer snooze, read some book, and then we were landing, and the landing was so smooth. Like, my ears didn't go funny at all during that. There was a little bit as we were descending that I had to, swallow a couple of times, but normally that's the part that is really painful for me, and I was a bit worried about it, having not been on a plane for about 2.5 years. So, all good. And then the rest of it was easy to get through. We had to show the NHS COVID vaccination doodah. If you've got the app, you can get the travel pass, which you can then save to your phone. People like my brother who do not have smartphones will struggle slightly, so I don't know what he's going to do when we go to Paris, but I'm sure he'll figure it out. Because I don't think they accept the card, the piece of paper that you get with the scribbles on that they gave you in the vaccination centre. And we also had to complete a passenger locator form to get into the Czech Republic, which essentially just is your details and where you're going to be staying and that kind of thing, which we did. How far in advance did we do that one?
Which one's
The passenger locator form.
We did a few days in advance, but I don't know how long in advance you can do it. We did it on like Thursday, didn't we?
Yes, so we did it on Tuesday. We did it about a week in advance. I know the British one is 48 hours. You can't do it until 48 hours before you're due to arrive. We're still not sure if we have to do one of those, so I think we'll just do it just in case while we're here. And as you can see, we've made it into our hotel room, which is really quite large and of always, Pete is just laying on a bed on his phone, which is how we always start our holidays. So we are in the Hotel Majestic, which is near, I believe, I'm going to struggle to say this and I might have to say it a few times, Wenceslas Square. It's a mouthful. So there you go, you're all caught up. Do you want a room tour? Yeah, let's give you a room tour. Might be a bit of fun for you, seeing as there's a lot of space, but like this bit is a bit pointless. So I've come to the door. We have some coat hooks and this huge hallway that we don't know why and what we're going to do with it. But it does have a full-length mirror, which is very helpful. And then you head on into the bathroom, which looks rather swanky with its black tiles. Very old school hairdryer there. I don't know why you have body and hair lotion and all of that by the sink, but you do. So that's the bathroom. And then into the main room, which obviously has Pete's arse, bed, wardrobe. Is there anything in the wardrobe, do we think? Safe. A shaving kit and a shoe shine. And then
We're outside the beer style, it's probably good.
all of that. It's because it's downstairs. Bedside tables. Again, don't know if there's anything in those. My side seems to have a USB plug, but Pete's doesn't. I think that's a plug. A little hole there, but I'm not sure. And then that's where I was just sat. Lovely view of the roof. And some of the other rooms. And there you go. That is us for the next few nights. So we're obviously gonna chill here for a little bit, and then we have a free walking tour which we booked with is it Sandymans? Sandymans New Europe. It's a free walking tour company that we've used in a number of European cities and possibly New York. Can't remember if we used them there or not. So we've got a walking tour which will hopefully help us get the bearings of the city, learn a bit of history, all of that. And then we have dinner booked at 6 in a restaurant that I believe delivers your drinks by train. So that's all to come. So I imagine, well, the walking tour I won't be able to film, so it'll be another B-roll section of buildings mainly, and then I will come back to you when I can. Myself and Pete, oh look at my tired face. Myself and Pete are at a railway restaurant. It says on here, meet and pay on rails. There it goes.
That's so cool. I've not seen beer come yet, I've seen food.
Well, everyone else has got their drinks. Well, there's definitely drink cups.
Okay, they're different cups. Oh yeah, the cup holders, yeah.
So yeah, this is today's experience. This is the random things I find.
That's good. That's so cool.
So yeah, random things I find when searching for stuff on the internet. was awkward. There it goes. Missed it. I couldn't reach it. It's stuck so far over there. I couldn't reach it.
There's some. Oh yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, tell us what's it.
I don't know whose is whose. That would be mine.
That's a lot of cheese.
Sweet. I like cheese. So I'm going for a goat's cheese one. Pete has a
Bacon jam.
bacon jam.
It's just like a jam paste, so bacon. Okay.
Bon appetit.
Sorry.
Bon appetit.
You see?
Tell Pete off. He's working and he's supposed to be on holiday.
Not working.
You are working. I saw those messages.
We have a different thought of what working is.
It's working. You're not supposed to do anything. You're away. You're supposed to be switching this off from it.
James good.
Yeah, that's why I came here and then I saw you working, so it derailed the whole thing. Ah, pun. Yeah. So, train restaurant was fun. I wouldn't say the food is the best food in the world, but the burger was nice enough.
Yeah, it's good.
But the train's fun, so go for the trains.
I'd say the food was like 7.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not like the best food in the world if that's what you're after.
Yeah.
But you go for the trains. I am going to end this video here, so if you have enjoyed travelling if you have enjoyed the travel day to Prague plus some B-roll of buildings and a train restaurant, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in the rest of our trip, because there'll be probably 2 more videos, click the subscribe button and we will see you in the next one. Bye.